Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to draft a A-line dress for a 3 to 4 years old baby. I have already drawn the starting point, so I will using my mark the length, which is 20. I was marking the length, which is 20 inch. Then I drew a line. You can use the measurement of your child and follow through what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna take my shoulder width measurement, I'm gonna divide by 2 and mark it at the shoulder line. I'm marking half of the shoulder length. Then half of the shoulder length that I'm marking. Then I'm gonna mark the neck width of 2.5 inch on the neck depth for 1 inch for the back and 2.5 inch for the front. So this neckline, you can change it. It will depend on you what you want. Then I drop it the shoulder slope by 1 inch, but if you like you can drop it by half an inch. It all depends on you what you want. Then I went on to mark the armhole depth, which is 4.5 inches. Then I join it to the shoulder line. This is my chest line, the chest line for the pattern. So I'm drafting both the front and the back at the same time. So I will take the chest measurement and divide by 4 and mark it at the chest line. Then I'm gonna add 1 inch for ease and sewing allowance at the chest line. You can add any sewing length, sewing allowance that you want for your dress. Then I'm going to mark the center of the armhole depth. For the front armhole, I'm gonna come in by half an inch. Then I'm gonna draw the armhole for the front, drawing the armhole for the front. This one is for the back. Then I was marking what I have, so it will guide me how I want to open the A-line. So it all depends on you how wide you want the bottom of the dress to be. You can add 3 inches, 4 inches. It all depends on you. But just using the ruler to guide me, didn't use any specific number. So this is it. So you can, if you want, you can make it a little bit wider than this. Then I'm gonna mark half an inch, so I will curve it at the corner so it will be neat when I'm sewing it. I was just drawing a curve. I don't want it to be straight at that corner. the pattern front and back. So I was just marking this is back and front pattern for an A-line dress for size 3 to 4 years old. Yeah, so this is A-line dress. So I also added 1 inch zipper allowance for the back. If you want to add the zipper at the back, I'm gonna